This is Steve from the Safari Store, and this is our handy 3-step guide to ordering with us online. Step 1 is getting your packing list and reading our expert advice pages. The expert advice pages are located in the navigation bar. Simply by looking under the expert advice column, you'll see the links to the pages are located there. For the packing list, which will be tailor-made to your trip, there is a link on the home page, and at the bottom of each page, if you simply click on Safari Packing List, you'll go through to the Safari Packing List page. Here you'll see that we have pre-generated one, and all you do is you enter these types of Safari that you go on, the number of people who are going on Safari, and the length of the Safari. The list which is then generated is full of hand information. Simply click on this More Information tab to read more information about each item that we recommend you pack, and you can also click on this to get into our online store to order each item. Step 2 is selecting the items. You may either use the links as suggested here, or simply use our navigation bar again and select the items which you require. By linking into each page, finding the item you are after, once you're on the product page, please do read through the information, as again there is lots of information about each product. Before ordering, please do view the size chart and note that these are garment measurements and not body measurements. There is also this very informative guide on how to measure one of your own garments to ensure that you get the best fit first time round. Once you've decided on the fit, simply select the color, select the size, the quantity, and add to basket. You'll see that this pop-up comes up to confirm that your item has been added to the basket. Step 3 is going to our checkout. To get to the checkout, click on the basket link, and here you'll see all the items that you have ordered or selected on our site. Double check that all the items are correct and that the sizes are correct, and once you've done that, then you start the checkout process by selecting the delivery country, entering the delivery postcode if it's UK, and then you'll see the delivery options are located down here. So select the delivery option which you require, and then click Proceed to checkout. From there on in, you just enter all your details in the spaces and fields required and place your order. If you have any questions or need assistance while you shop, please click on the Help section at the top here, which again has a link to our packing list. There, our frequently asked questions, which has got lots of useful questions and answers, and then the link to get in touch with us in our Contact Us page over the phone and by email. We also have this little pop-up here where you can chat to us online at any stage. As a team, we look forward to assisting you further as you pack for your exciting safari ahead. Thank you.